Yuzu Shochu Mule. 2 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. A stirred Tokyo-style mule with barley shochu, fresh yuzu, ginger beer, and a shiso garnish served cold in a copper mug. Ingredients: 2 ounces of barley shochu, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh yuzu juice, 1/2 of an ounce of simple syrup, 4 ounces of ginger beer to top the drink, 1 cup of ice cubes, 1 twisted yuzu peel for garnish, 1 fresh shiso leaf for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place the copper mug in the freezer for 5 minutes to chill. Measure 2 ounces of barley shochu into a mixing glass. Add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh yuzu juice to the mixing glass. Add 1/2 of an ounce of simple syrup into the mixing glass. Add 1 cup of ice cubes to the mixing glass. Stir the mixture with a bar spoon for 20 seconds to chill and lightly dilute. Remove the copper mug from the freezer and fill it with 1 cup of fresh ice cubes. Double strain the chilled mixture into the copper mug over the ice. Top the drink with 4 ounces of ginger beer, pouring gently to preserve carbonation. Stir gently in the mug for 5 seconds to combine the ginger beer with the base. Express 1 yuzu peel over the drink to release the oils, then place the twisted peel and 1 shiso leaf on top as garnish. Serve the Yuzu Shochu Mule immediately and enjoy your drink. Enjoy your Yuzu Shochu Mule. This completes the recipe. That is the Yuzu Shochu Mule. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified of new recipes.